Today is the discuss for the simple present tense. In the simple present tense, what is mean by the simple present tense? In that tense sense, simple present means it's very simple. That's we can to do for the activities, daily routine. This is called as the simple present tense. Simple present tense, this is the describe of the event. Some events like I go to the school and he goes to the school. Like for example, I and you. Suppose I go to the park and you every day go to the park. This is that example of the simple present tense. The other example is also, but in here exceptions. I and you and he, she, it, and some name is supposed to other example for the Ram, other we can to give the other names like for Ram or Sita, Lakshman. This is like you to use for the yes and yes. Means so many. They are to use for the actions for the yes and yes. Simple present tense in that first is the subject. Subject means this is the all in there to present of the subject. Means I, you, and he, she, it, and Ram. Means this is the name. They are to represent for the goes and supposed to in here. First, this is the subject. The formula is the subject. This is the all in here subject, and the other is the verb here. Verb one means this is particular activity you can to do. This is called as the and represent of the verb one, and plus the yes and es. In here, this is the subject to there to describe for the yes and e, and other is the object, any particular object. Like for in here to park is that object, but every day this is the routine that you can to express yourself. And they speak the English in the USA. They means the all the peoples. Like for the group of the people, this is called a they, and used for the simple present to very simple means this is the routine for the describing that describe the event. Event means some situations you can to describe it. Like for the routine work and the habitual actions. Habitual actions mean you have to habit for the actions. Like I drink water, I drink tea, may I take a tea. This is the simple present tense used for the daily routine. And the other is the how to describe the simple present tense, our discussions, and how to speak simple present tense. Like right now I am to speak with you. This is the simple present tense used for in here. Other is the other activity you suppose going on the canteen. There I will take for the some chocolate, but this is the future tense means will that to come here. This is called as the future tense. But simple present tense is very simple because we can't describe for this the routine actions, like describing the actions means habitual actions, routine actions describe the event, some event functions there to describe for the activity. This is called as the simple present tense.